Vision Pro.
Vision Pro. Or
Giant Vision Pro!
The Apple Vision Pro.
Apple Vision Pro.
Apple Vision Pro.
Introducing Apple Vision Pro. Vision Pro, Vision Pro, Vision Pro is a new kind of computer that augments reality by seamlessly blending the real world.
What's up, guys? I got a super banging episode for y'all today. Today I'll be going to the Apple store and trying out the Apple Vision Pro for the very first time, so I'm super excited. I'm actually a Meta Quest 3 owner, so I've been in the VR and AR headspace for a little bit, and this is Apple's first generation VR product, or like they like to call it, spatial computing.
Spatial computer.
Spatial computing.
This is the first spatial computer.
So pretty excited. Obviously there's a lot of hype about it. There's a lot of YouTubers making a lot of videos. There's a lot of Instagram influencers out there making a lot of videos over this Apple Vision Pro. So I'm excited to see whether or not it lives up to the hype. And also Apple marketing, they always be hyping everything up. So kind of want to see whether or not the product lives up to the hype. I personally don't know if it's gonna be worth $4,000, but if they are advertising it as crazy pass-through and really good resolution, we might have to see whether or not it's worth copping, guys. I'm probably not gonna cop it realistically, but if I do cop it, it would be so that I could review it for the YouTube channel and then return it after, because I know that there's no restocking fees, so we'll see whether or not I do that. But yeah, we booked a 30-minute demo with the Apple Vision Pro, so we're probably gonna head out soon and go to the Galleria to check it out. Yeah, I'm really just excited to see how well it works, because obviously they're marketing it in a way where it's like the best VR headset, and a lot of people are saying that it's the best VR headset, so I really wanna see whether or not the resolution on the headset is as good as they say, and whether or not I could actually see myself using it, because apparently you can control it with your eyes, which I think is really cool. So we'll see. What's up, guys? So we just made it out here in the Apple store. The Vision Pro is inside the building, guys. Super hyped to try it out. I got my appointment coming up in about 5 minutes. And yeah, super excited to show y'all what the Vision Pro entails. I don't know what else to add. I'm a bit skeptical, I will say. I really wonder how good the pass-through is, but because compared to my Quest, the Quest pass-through is also already pretty good too. So excited to see how the micro OLED pixels are gonna work. I heard it like literally feels super clear, and yeah, gonna see if it's really worth $4,000, guys. So super excited to show y'all the Vision Pro, and yeah, hopefully I might convince y'all to buy it. We'll see, and I'll see if I buy it tonight too. Probably not, but if the demo is super bomb and bussin', we'll probably full send it, man. YOLO. First generation product, so YOLO. Quick question. But whenever he's recording, can he like pan out and in? Or
I would just prefer that he just do it from this way, because we're going to have to swivel around in the chair.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, cool,
I just don't
cool.
want him like behind you and then like your bounce.
All right, sounds good, man.
What kind of content do you create, bro?
So I'm making vlogs right now, and I'm just trying to just get into like video creation on YouTube and stuff.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Be like a streamer type vibe?
Mainly like lifestyle creator. Yeah.
Influencer?
Yes, sir.
Right. When I think about your eyes as if they're the pointers on a MacBook or even like a mouse.
Okay.
So your eyes are going to be selected with things, but to actually select it, you're just going to tap. So try this gesture right here. It's easy, bro. The next gesture you're going to use is going to be to scroll. To scroll, you're just going to select and swipe up. Exactly. So you want to think about it almost like grabbing a piece of string, pulling it, and then letting it go. Okay? So you can swipe from left to right, right to left, or you can swipe vertical. So like say you need to scroll, you can do that.
Okay.
And then the third gesture that we're going to use today is going to be to zoom. To zoom in, we're going to pinch together like this.
Ooh, I'm about to dive in.
And to zoom out. Think one thing about think about that.
Right. Yeah, it's like if you have a rubber band.
Okay. And they're on the way. They're going to bring out the device. I'll show you kind of your way around the device, and then we'll just jump right in.
Sounds good, man. Shit. Sounds good.
And your battery's gonna be to your left, okay?
All right.
Just remember the battery's connected at all times. And then you can just use your fit dial there and kind of adjust to how you want it to be adjusted. You don't want it too tight. You just want it to where it's stable.
It's on, saying press and hold to align.
You're gonna go ahead and press and hold to align. This is gonna align your eyes, okay? And then what we're gonna do
Okay. The Apple sign is showing. Oh, wow. Okay. I see everyone around me. I see your face.
Welcome to Apple Vision Pro.
Okay, this is cool. Oh.
So,
I will say, I thought the pass-through would be a little bit clearer, but this isn't too bad. It's like, probably if this is like an 8, then the Quest 3 would be like a 6.5.
gotcha. So now we're just gonna set up your eyes. You just want to look at the dot and tap your fingers together using that first gesture that we use. You don't have to grab the dot with your fingers. You actually can just do it just like we're talking about, just sitting on your lap or even just on the table.
That's cool.
And it's going to do this 3 more times. It's just to align your eyes, just to make sure everything's good and that the device can fix it.
Oh, okay. So I'm looking at the dots.
Look at the dots and just do that same motion to select.
Whoa.
You can do it with your left or your right hand.
Okay. Wow. I'm like looking at the dot and literally clicking on it. It's like magic.
Yeah. And select that one. Yep, there you go.
So you have to actually like point your eye to it.
Yeah, like I said, your eye is kind of like the mouse, bro.
Think of your eyes like a pointer on the back, but a mouse on the back.
What the heck? This is cool. Yeah, so you actually have to point your eye at the actual dot. You can't like look, like it has to be like directly at the dot, right?
Exactly.
Okay, like not even like just a little bit off. Like peripheral vision.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's that simple, Brian.
Okay, how do I drag? So it is not as intuitive as I thought it would be. You really have to concentrate with your eyes.
Yeah. So this is a spatial photo. So you see it has depth to it. It's an entirely new way for you to experience your photo library and relive a memory.
Yep.
And now,
So let's go ahead and scroll right to see a spatial video.
displays to your eyes perfectly.
Oh, wow.
And now it's going to set you
Wow, that's pretty crazy.
up. So first it's going to ask for your hands, or it might actually give you a hello screen.
Dang, it's like 3D movies.
Feels like you're almost there, right? You almost can smell the smoke from
Yeah.
You're going to press the digital crown.
That's cool stuff.
Oh no, first your eyes. I keep forgetting about that. It's nice optical lenses. Thank you, Apple Vision Pro, for reminding me. So here, go ahead and look at this, and it's gonna air it up. Bada bing, bada boom. So
Dang.
now it's gonna ask you.
I got a little bit emotional because I was just like thinking like, oh, like what if I like recorded like my kid or something?
Or your
Yeah.
kid or someone who's no longer with us. Like,
Exactly.
definitely-
It's crazy.
Definitely is beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna do your
Yeah. No, I got emotional watching this. I don't even know the people, but that's crazy. Crazy stuff.
So now you can see your environment. You can still see your photos out to the left.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and put photos
Yeah.
So your environments, you're still connected to the people around you. If you look over here at me, you'll still see me, right?
I can see it.
So how do you feel?
Pretty good, man. It was a little bit heavy towards the front, but I think I could wear it for like
And then now
an hour.
An hour, yeah.
Yeah. And then I do feel like the pressure on here too.
Yeah, you probably had it a little too tight.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be like
Now, you close
super
out of that folder.
tight. It just
Yeah.
needs to be to where it's stable. It feels like it's not gonna
now I'm
fall.
gonna show
Okay.
you.
Yeah, the band was super comfortable though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but overall, really good experience,
Cool,
man.
man. Did you have any other questions or anything?
I was wondering, can I take like a picture with the Apple Vision Pro real quick?
Yeah,
All right,
of course. Did you want to? Would it be something you would look into getting?
Probably down the line, but I don't want to get the first generation.
Gotcha.
Yeah, like maybe if they made a cheaper version, like 4K is like 4 months of rent.
yeah.
So,
Super cool.
yeah.
But we're gonna
Take a picture for the thumbnail, okay?
We're gonna specifically look at two things on here. So
Can you
go
do it
to the
horizontal
left
too?
tab and then go down.
All right, guys, so we've just finished trying out the Vision Pro. Honestly, coming from the Quest 3, it's not that big of a jump. Like, I thought that like everything would feel like really real. The resolution is great. It's still better than the Quest 3, don't get me wrong, but if the Quest 3 pass-through is like, I'll say it's like a 7, the Vision Pro is like an 8.5. So you're literally paying like an extra $3,500 to get like marginally better gains. So personally, I don't think it's worth it yet, but if the technology improves later down the line, I think the Vision Pro or the Vision, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna make a regular Vision for the average consumer, So I would consider getting it if it's in 4K, but honestly, I thought the resolution would be like life-changingly good, like where I can't even distinguish real life from the screen. But you can still tell that there's some like pixels. I don't know, it's like crisp, but it's not like super crisp. It's better than the Quest 3, don't get me wrong, but it's not like completely realistic yet. I think you're still able to discern that you're in a virtual environment still. And I know the Apple guy was saying like it's spatial computing and blah, 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 but for the most part, it's all VR. It's the same thing. Apple just wants to like label stuff like differently, you know what I'm saying? So overall, still solid experience. I would recommend that you guys go to the Apple store and try it out. And yeah, come on a weekday because apparently the weekends are super crowded. Yeah, we're just at the Galleria right now, but overall, I guess what did you think of just watching me?
You seemed impressed, but I didn't know if it was forced or genuine.
That's true. I do usually make stuff up for the vlog, so but no, it was pretty impressive. I think that everyone should try it if you've never had VR or tried VR before. I think it's definitely worth, but would I buy it? Probably not, unless I had like unlimited money. But I think everyone should try it, especially if you've never tried VR before, because it would set a very high standard for you. And I really liked the spatial video. That was cool. The fact that you could literally be immersed into a video that you just took, that was pretty crazy. Like I could see it definitely being like useful in the sense like, okay, if you want to hang out with, you know, someone that might have passed away or something like that, like reliving a memory, like it genuinely does feel like you're there. Not 100% there, but well enough. You know, you can trick your brain into believing that you're there. So overall experience, I would say that the Vision Pro is the best VR headset right now, but I'm not sure if it's worth $4,000, but that's the Apple tax for you. But I will say that it is the best VR headset on the market right now. All right, so even though we just finished a demo with the Apple Vision Pro at the Galleria, I decided to book another demo because I realized I didn't get the right kind of shot that I wanted. I was missing one angle, but that's the dedication of a content creator, all right, guys? You gotta get the right angle and make the vlog as good as possible. You can't compromise on the quality. So right now I'm gonna fly or drive back to that same area. Thankfully it's not too far from where I'm at, and get the right shot. Also, it's a beautiful day in Houston, so I don't think I mind too much. But it is just a little bit unfortunate that I didn't think of getting the right shot when I was actually in the store. But hey, you see the dedication? Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, because I guarantee you there's no other content creator that does it as seriously as me, guys. This game is serious. It's a real game out here. All right, peace. What's up, guys? We're out here at the Apple store, and we're probably gonna cop the Apple Vision Pro today for the content. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and demo the Vision Pro for the very first time. Super excited. Let's go.
All right. And what was your name again?
My name is Brian.
I'm Hudson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the vlog.
Thank you. Let me go ahead and...
I'm really just here for the content. Everyone's freaking posting everything about Apple Vision Pro right now, so you gotta get on the hype.
You gotta get on the bandwagon, dude. You
exactly.
got to.
You gotta blow up that algorithm.
Let's see. Wasn't that incredible?
Can you get out the phone too? Gotta record for the shorts and the YouTube, man.
You can get all.
All right, guys, so we got the Apple Vision Pro on right now. The pass-through is pretty crazy. It's better than the Meta Quest for sure. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah. You actually can't see peripherally on the side. So like, if I put my phone here, I actually can't see it. So I have to turn towards here. But I can't see anything like within this field of view. And then I can't see anything anymore. Yep, so yeah, it looks pretty cool. It's a bit heavy, but yeah, I think we're gonna cop it so that we can get some more content and milk it for the next two weeks, guys. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace. Hey, shout out to this guy. putting me, demoing me, letting me vlog. Thank you, bro.
sir.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hudson at Apple Store, Highland Village. Hit him up. All right. See you later, guys. Peace. All right, guys. So we just finished demoing the Apple Vision Pro. We're gonna go ahead and buy it right now, and I'm gonna see how much content I can get out of it for 2 weeks before I have to return it to get my $4,000 back. All right. Peace out, guys. All right, we out here. They're bringing out the Apple Vision Pro, guys. We're about to cop it. You know, copping it for the content. You know, 2 weeks worth of content. I got a lot planned. Super excited to show y'all. Yep. All right, sounds good. Hey, yo, come over here, guys. Racking up the points, guys. Check this out. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, all right. Let's go ahead.
Thank you. It's not authorized, but it's probably a security issue.
Not
which we see often.
authorized. Okay.
Just make sure you don't get a text message real quick.
Sorry?
And we'll see.
Okay. Did I get a text message?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, got the notification.
Yo, they love to spoil the
Yep.
fun. They love it.
Right.
It was still not authorized.
Still not authorized. 1 second.
You might need to.
Could you try it again?
Yeah.
It might have needed like a few seconds to.
No, I totally understand. Let's see. Let's try it one more time. Yeah.
All right, cool.
We like to see that. The deed is done.
Deed is done.
You now are an owner of an Apple Vision Pro.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Temporarily or permanently, we have no idea yet.
Thank
There
you.
you are.
All right, cool,
Oh, you
cool.
got it?
Let's redo that for the short form, if that's
Oh
okay.
yeah, that's.
All right. Could you hand me the box again, sir?
Yeah. You want me to hand you both of them?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna do. All right. There you are.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
You have
Thank
a
you,
good
sir.
one.
Hey, thank you. I'm gonna hit you up.
All right,
Appreciate
sounds
it.
Good. Sounds good.
We just copped, y'all. We just copped. All right, I got more episodes coming on the way, guys. We got more episodes coming on the way. Trust. All right, that's good, guys.